Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. This video is about a master's degree program, that is Master of Science in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. This is from Dagendorf Institute of Technology, Germany. This institute is also called DIT. So in this video I will discuss about the MSc Artificial Intelligence and Data Science program, the details about this program, what are the requirements and what are the subject modules, and what is the language of the course, what are the deadlines for this course. Everything will be covered in detail. Also the subject links and all the relevant information shall also be provided in the description box. So let us begin the video. This is a very good course as far as the global requirement is concerned, and the students who have interest in the development and the new arena, that is artificial intelligence and data science, for them this course is meant to be a very good course. Since there are so many things to be covered, so this video will be little long. So if you want to take the advantage of the content, so listen to this video carefully till the end. So let us begin the video. In the beginning, I will give you brief details about the Dagendorf Institute of Technology, followed by the requirements for the course and all the details. So let us start the video. MSc Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dagendorf Institute of Technology. The Dagendorf Institute of Technology is a multi-awarded winning university of applied sciences founded in 1994 and located in stunning Bavaria. Ranked as one of the best university of applied sciences in Germany, we strive for academic excellence and are committed to producing global graduates with international degrees at the bachelor's and master's level. The total student population of 8,000 includes almost 30% international students from all over globe. The language of instruction is either English or German depending on the degree program. Study groups rarely include more than 50 students to ensure not only a personal atmosphere but also individual support for students to excel. All full-time degree programs are free from tuition fee. So let us start the details about the particular program, Master of Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dagendorf Institute of Technology, DIT. The degree awarded is MSc. The teaching language is English. The languages, all courses are taught 100% in English with the exception of the compulsory German or Czech language courses. Program duration 4 semesters, beginning when winter and summer semester. More information on beginning of studies. The winter semester starts on 1st October. The summer semester starts on 15th March. Application deadlines: 15th April to 15th July for October entries. Winter semester at University of South Bohemia, 15th November to 15th January for March entries. Summer semester at DIT. Tuition fee per semester in euro is none. Joint degree / double degree program is yes. Description / content. Just as electricity brought out far-reaching changes over 100 years ago, artificial intelligence (AI) has fundamentally started to change our lives. AI is the next phase of the industrial revolution, and it has established itself firmly in our society. Almost all branches of industry have been affected by the ongoing transformation through its algorithms. The Master of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science program MAID at Dagendorf Institute of Technology addresses this transformation by providing students with the broad and in-depth skills required of experts working in the developing AI. Moreover, data science forms an integral part of this study program. AI experts need to be able to obtain, process and store enormous amounts of data, which is at the root of AI and development processes. Unique to master's program in this field is the integrated internship that students are required to complete and enables them to put theory to practice. In addition, the MAID study program serves to strengthen East Europe goals of cooperative learning, research and teaching. Due to the cross-border nature of the study program, its embeddedness in regional high-tech companies and its international character, students will not only gain expertise and practice in the field but benefit from a diverse student body that will promote intercultural competence and provide a solid foundation for innovation. Now comes the course organization. The postgraduate program consists of 4 semesters and includes a compulsory internship. Owing to the global relevance of the subject area, the program is instructed in English only. Students will be required to take at least 1 semester, second semester at the partner university. Semester 1 includes the modules like artificial intelligence and software development, theoretical fundamentals of artificial intelligence, advanced machine learning, elective 1, elective 2, German or Czech. Semester 2, University of South Bohemia, information theory, mathematics for artificial intelligence and data science, computational intelligence, distributed algorithms, advanced data storage and analysis, parallel programming and computing, German or Czech language. Semester 3, internship, elective 3, elective 4. Semester 4 is advanced topics in AI, master's seminar, master's thesis. All 4 electives must be chosen in consultation with the MAID study coordinators. Electives must have relevance for AI and or data science. Integrated study abroad units, students will be required to spend at least 1 semester at our partner institution, the University of South Bohemia. Integrated internship. Students can complete their internship in the field of AI or data science at an institution of their choosing, providing all requirements are met. Course specific integrated German language courses are available. The course of study can be taken entirely online is not possible. Tuition fee per semester in euro is none. Semester contribution of 60 euro. Student service fee per semester. Cost of living in Dagendorf, the cost of living is approximately 700 euro per month. The semester in Budweis will cost approximately 500 euro per month. Funding opportunities within the universities are available. Description of the above mentioned for funding opportunities within the university. If you are an enrolled DIT student, there are several opportunities to partially finance your studies through a scholarship. Academic admission requirements. The eligibility requirement are a bachelor's degree and at least 90 credit points from the field of computer science, including 18 credits from the field of artificial intelligence and or data science. In addition, an admission test has to be completed successfully. Language requirements: English B2 as attested by recognized language certificate. More information on the language requirement can be found on the website. The URL should be provided in the description box. The application deadlines are 15th April to 15th July for October entries, winter semester at the University of South Bohemia, 15th November to 15th July for March entries, summer semester at DIT. Submit application to, please apply directly to Dagendorf Institute of Technology DIT via their application portal. All required documents must be uploaded on the application portal. It is not necessary to send in hard copies by postal mail. Please find more details regarding application process in the URL which will be provided in the description box. Possibility of finding part-time employment. There are various job opportunities in and around DIT. Accommodation is also the help shall be provided, and there are several dormitories and many flats available in DIT. And there is a career advisory service available which will help you for your CV checks, workshops and seminars for job preparations and university job fair, etc. So guys, this is all about the program on Master of Science program in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dagendorf Institute of Technology DIT from Germany. This program is free of cost, and this is being conducted by the Public University of Germany. It is a very good course and it prepares you for the global requirements with respect to the focus on artificial intelligence and data science. So guys, hope this video is helpful to you, and all the relevant information with regard to the admission criteria and the link to the DAD website and how will you apply and the university link, everything shall be provided in the description box. Still you have any questions, you are welcome to put the questions in the comment box. And I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for listening and giving your valuable time. Wish you all the best.